Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make pepper soup spice. Yes, this homemade pepper soup spice, the ingredients are natural and it is very healthy compared to what you'll be buying from an aboki store. Most of them don't use the complete ingredients, but with this you are good to go. So simple, you don't even need to stress too much, and the ingredients are easy to get. Once you get to the aboki store, give them the list of what you want and they give them to you. Then you can prepare them at the comfort of your kitchen. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Now, to the list of the ingredients I'll be using, I have the Negro pepper, the alligator pepper. Alligator pepper is always in pods, so you don't use the pod, you remove it out of the pod. We have the dried ginger. I use dried ginger most of the time because this wet ginger has water content in it, that's liquid content, so it doesn't make the pepper soup spice, it doesn't make it dried. So that's why we're using dried ginger. Guinea plum. The Guinea plum is in a shell, so you have to break the shell to bring out the Guinea plum itself. But mind you, make sure everything you are buying is dried. We have Omilo. I don't really know what the English name is, but then once you tell the Aboki you want Omilo, they would give it to you. Fennel seed, the dried one. Cloves. And please, for the cloves, make sure you take your time to open it into two and bring out the black seed in it. You don't need the black seed. If you prepare your pepper soup sauce with the black seed, it will get more bitter. So please do well to remove the seed from the cloves. Rosemary, you're using a dried rosemary as well. The black pepper, shine. I don't know what the English name too is called, but once you tell the aboki you want to buy shine, they know exactly what to give you. I think the name is gotten from the texture of the ingredient because it has a very shiny texture. We have the African nugget. Then lastly, calabash nutmeg. Calabash nutmeg also has a shell, so you have to break the shell to bring out the nutmeg you'll be using. So with this ingredient, your pepper soup spice is going to be very rich and healthy. So after getting the ingredients, the next thing you want to do is dry fry all the ingredients together. Please do that on a high heat. Make sure you fry it dried, not burnt, but dried enough to blend so you don't spoil your blender. So after frying it for about 10 minutes to 20 minutes on either medium or high heat, you transfer it into a blender and blend everything together. Please do not add water in this recipe. There is no water. You want to get a powdery pepper soup spice, so you do not need water in this recipe. And once you blend them, the pepper soup spice is ready to be used. Another important thing is, feel free to adjust the ingredients to your level of spiciness. If you really want it spicy, then you need more alligator pepper, more black pepper also. And if you want it less bitter, please remember to remove the seeds from the cloves. I'll see you again in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get notified when I post new videos. See ya. Bye.